Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about another Java program. Okay. So which interviewer can ask you that is related to swapping of two numbers value. Okay. So before jumping into the coding part of it, let us discuss something about the logic which we are going to implement into the program. Okay. So that would be useful for the other programs. Okay. So let's understand the logic. Okay, so let us consider a scenario to understand the swapping logic more clearly. So consider a scenario where we have two shapes. As you can see over your screens, there are two rectangular shapes. Okay, so one is in the blue color, which is in the left hand side. One is in the right hand side, which is in the orange color. So what we want left hand side block in the orange color and right hand side block in the blue color. So we have introduced another temporary block, as you can see, which is under the page, the bottom of the page. So what we have introduced one temporary block. So what we need to do, we need to pass the blue color. We will temporarily put our blue color material into this block. Okay. So this is how it will look like. Our left hand side shape will become black. We have kept its material in the bottom shape that is in which contains blue color as of now. So the second step, what we will do, we will put the orange color which is present in the right hand side block into this left hand side block. Okay, so it will look like this. Okay, so now coming to the next step, okay, we will move this blue color which is currently in the temporary shape. So we will move this material into the right hand side block. Okay, so this is how we have swapped from, so the orange color material was in the right hand side, but now it is in the um, left hand side, and same for the blue color. Okay, now we don't need this temporary block which we introduce as a temporary container. So we have removed it from the concept. So this is how the swapping concepts work. This is the logic. Okay, so let's jump into the coding part now. Coming to the coding part, guys, let's quickly create a new class for swapping numbers. Okay. Just automatically generate the main method. Move on. Okay. So now to swap numbers, we would need at least two numbers. Okay. So let us consider integer data type variable that is equal to a, that is having value as 10. Okay, initially. After that, let us consider another variable and it as b and initialize it with value equals to 11. Now we will write swapping out method. So that method will contains the logic for swapping out these two numbers. Okay? Swapping out numbers. So two param it will contain. Okay? So these are going to be input size. So through which you will perform the swapping operation, creating this method automatically with the help of Eclipse suggestion. So as discussed in the logic part, we would need a temporary variable. It would be of same data type for which we are performing the operation. Okay, so what we will do initially we will take out the value of any one of these variables A or B into this temp container. Okay, so just being in the same direction, let assign A's value to temp first. Then, since temp variable is now containing a value of one variable, so now what we can do, we can assign to our value of A has been stored in temp variable, so we can assign value of B to A now. Now, since value of B has been put into value of A, what we can do, we can assign value of temp to B. Okay, now making sense. Temp was blank initially. Temp A's value has been put into the temp, then value of B is put into the value of A, since temp is containing A's value. Okay. Now in temp value, the value of temp has been pushed into B. Now let's run this program. Before running it, let us consider values. Okay. So values for addition A. Okay. Uh, and B equals to 0. In a similar manner, after swapping, now let's run this program and check if it's working right. Okay, so values before swapping was A equals to 10 as we put it as a parameter, and B equals to 11. And after swapping, it's A equal to 11 and B equals to, okay, so this logic of storing value in the temporary variable, we are going to use this same logic in sorting program. Okay, it is going to be part of that program as well. Okay, so yeah, let's meet in the second video, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you.